Hey everybody, how's everybody doing today? It's a beautiful day here in Ventura, California. You're watching the Andres Salazar channel. Talking a little Super 73. I'm on the S2 Hudson Blue. Got a couple customizable elements here. Got the handlebars, all kind of jazz. Got a chain ring, a 48 chain ring. I never changed the crank arms. I know some people do, and in a way I want to change the crank arms, but in another way I don't know if it'll help because it'll make my knees go up even higher, you know what I mean? So I don't know if that really helps much. But I'm listening to some music today. I'm listening to Young Thug's new album called Punk. I review music on my other channel called The Outgroove. So you're welcome to go check those videos out. It's not all hip hop, but it's a lot of hip hop because I listen to a lot of that, but also a lot of everything. Right now I'm in pedal assist 2. It's kind of my go-to one I like to use. And I'm in 4th bike mode, which is the unlimited. So in theory you can go about 30. 31, something like that. And we're gonna ride out to the bike lane, out to the bike path here. We're gonna go out to a surf spot called Overheads. I'm gonna go out there and back. So if you don't know much about Ventura and the surf spots, I will give you a little tour. But first, let's wait here for this light, only because you're watching. Otherwise, I just run it. Hopefully, I won't get in trouble by saying that. How's everybody doing today? Give me a comment below if you want me to chat with you. Nothing really has happened big with me. I've been watching The Wire, so I watched the last 3 seasons. I've seen it already 4 times. This is my 5th. This might be my 4th or 5th time watching The Wire. And I watched season 1, 2, 3. I just finished the 3rd this morning, and I think I'm going to take a little bit of break. Some people don't like the 4th and 5th season. I do like them. It isn't as good as the other ones, I think, but I do like those seasons. But I want to kind of just change it up a bit and watch some of Succession. I think I've seen the 1st season, maybe the 2 seasons. I don't remember. But I know there's new episodes out, so I think I'm going to watch some Succession on HBO. And I've been playing this video game called Disco Elysium, which is like a role-playing game on Steam, but done like a pen and paper tabletop RPG, which is my bread and butter. Because back in the day, your boy Andres played a lot of Dungeons & Dragons and just bet everything else. So I'm excited to kind of play that. It's pretty fun. The only thing is there's not much combat, and because it's all dice, it's not like really bad. You know, you're not like, it's not like other RPGs where you're doing stuff. You're kind of investigating, and in a way, it's almost like a guided book or tour or something. You know, that you're kind of finding clues. So there's that kind of. It's missing that action mode to it, which I wish there was. It's so freaking good. The atmosphere, really, art design. Highly recommend Disco Elysium. It's like 2 years old, and I haven't been playing video games in forever. So I thought, I'll get back into it a little bit. I've just been so busy working on my comics, which you can see at my 3rd channel called The Art of Comics. So I'm doing that. And I just finished up the 8-page horror story that's going to go on Kickstarter later this month, and now I am starting a 3rd children's book of the Adventure Bear Squad, which is kind of like the Care Bears, but for boys, a little more actiony, like Care Bears type, and I'm working on the 3rd book. I've already done a couple, and so I'm going to start that back up. I have it all planned out, but I mapped it out 2 years ago, and I just never finished it, so I'm going to go back to it and actually draw it out, render it out, draw out the stuff. trying to figure out what I want it to look like, because I could. So the other two were done kind of traditional with watercolor, and now I'm trying to decide how I want to do it, and I don't know. I don't know how I want to draw it. I don't know if I want to draw it. I don't know if I want to paint it. I don't know what I want to do. So I'm kind of like trying to figure that out. I think I do want a different art style, just because that kind of like keeps me activated in it, so to speak, you know? Let's see. Let's see if I have the chop. Really, it all comes down to if I have the chops. Because I know how to do it the watercolor way. I know how to do it traditionally, but I'm just not good at the painting digitally. Is it's not easy for me. I have a hard time with it. It's a challenge. Let's see. This is a beautiful little ride. I love. I usually run out this way, and I probably will go for a bit of a walk later today. This is my off day of running. I run every other day, so this is the day I walk. But I thought, you know, I'll ride my bike, record some video of beautiful Ventura County. I like this mode. I'm in mode 2, right? No, I was in mode 3. Something wasn't right. I was like, man, I'm going 20 miles per hour. It's not right. There we go. Mode 2, go around 16 or so. Too much. Sometimes when you're on the big streets, you know, you want to be able to go 30 or so, just to kind of like keep somewhat in line with the traffic of the cars. But if you're on a bike, yeah, never in a hurry. It's not like I'm going to get more exercise necessarily. You know, this is not for exercising. I repeat, SUPER73 bikes are not for exercising. It is a lifestyle toy. I mean, it is a mode of transportation. I guess you can call it a vehicle or whatever, but it's just a toy. Let's just call it. Let's call it a spade. It's a toy. It's a fun freaking toy, though. I love this damn bike. I've spent a lot of time on it. As you know, I fixed the brakes, so the brakes are happy, and I love that now. The brakes were so freaking simple, guys. I was so worried that the brakes were gonna suck to fix. The brakes were freaking simple to fix. I was like loving it. So glad. I just get nervous every time it was the same thing. Remember what happened with the handlebars? I took the handlebars off. Oh man, I bought these handlebars like back last December. And I was like, I just don't want to freaking do it. I'm worried that once I get everything off, I'm not going to get back on right. I'm going to F it up. Well, guess what? I changed the handlebars. It was easy. So easy. So to me, let go of your fear. SUPER73 is a mod, you know, modder's dream. It's a guy who likes to tinker and bash kit and all those kind of things. That's what this is, dude. This is just a modder bash kit bike that you can like prod around with and change. There's guys out there, well, you know, because you're watching this video, so you know, they do all kinds of crazy stuff with these things. So, man, it's pretty out, isn't it? Okay, someone's talking to me. Getting text messages. Who is that? Shoot. I'll say 11. She wants to go on a walk. My wife's like, hey, I like to go on a walk. And I'm like, I'm not around right now to go on a walk. Sorry, player. I didn't know you wanted to go on a walk, man. I would have freaking not done this right now. That was fun. See how I just like used the throttle just to go up that hill? I do love that. That's nice. Oh, my back. What's up with my back? Lately, the last week or so, my back's been bugging me. I've been doing yoga to kind of like, I need to really do hardcore yoga though, because I'm doing kind of wussy yoga. It's not really helping me much. Okay, we're about to go to this little spot right here, and this is called Overheads. It is connected to, so there's this state park here called Emmawood State Park. You can camp, you can RV camp, come for the day. And right here, right at Emmawood, you can surf. This spot here called Overheads. And it is, on a good day, on a good swell, it gets pretty big. And so these are people here who don't want to camp or park, pay for parking. They just come in here and just park here to walk down to surf. So I'll show you that real quick. We'll head back. Look at this. Boom. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Check that out. See, there, over there. It's Overhead. I think it's called Overheads because of that little... Oh, there's a train. So, kind of fun. Beautiful day, isn't it? Oh my gosh. So nice. Nice day. Okay. Let's head back, help out the wife so she can go on her little walk. Got these two kids home today. They're sick. So it's a little stressful. Okay, so why don't we kick some ass? Should we just go full speed? Just to kind of see how the wind does with this media mod. I'm using the GoPro 9 with the media mod. So let's just go full speed and see what happens, right? Okay, here we go. Get ready. Okay, now we're going 28. This is a little downhill, so we might need to go a little faster than that. I like to pedal, so I pedal, and you know, I'm in pedal assist 4. I just like to pedal. Like the SUPER73 folks, the e-bikes. This is like Sodor country. It's like everyone's got the Sodors. I think mostly because there's like a couple of rental places downtown. I don't think people are buying these things. I've only seen another SUPER73 Ventura once. I would love to create a crew and get matching cuts at the game. Bike gang, e-bike gang. What do I say about my proposition? It is so nice. I'm having a blast, you guys. I hope you can hear this. So pretty. The poor man's motorcycle doesn't want to die because he said I was going 80 miles an hour on the freeway. You can go 30 on a bike lane and feel like you're a pretty badass. That's basically what it is. And I would propose or suggest that the bike lane has more scenic, beautiful places than the freeway. So actually kind of a nicer, perhaps, stuff right on a bike lane. You just can't go to farther distances that you can enjoy yourself. They do all of it like racks, but I don't have a car to hook it up with. Got this lease car. Jam could do this all day. I could ride this all day, man. It's just so much fun. It's like, I probably want to go back out. I mean, I'm coming out a little early. It's like, I want to go back out. It's just fun. A little chilly. That was bounce. Welcome to Ventura, California. San Buenaventura. That's the real name of this town. I don't know how it turned into Ventura, but it's actually, the name of the town is San Buenaventura. Whenever you get official documents, like, you know, paying your business tax, which I've had to do, it's like, oh, San Buenaventura, that's the name. You guys want to see Patagonia? Here's Patagonia. I've showed this to you before. Those of you who have seen it, this is the Patagonia headquarters, the world headquarters. This is it. This is where the CEO is. This is where the CFO, COO, the branding officers, everybody. They're here. Ventura. Where you can go surf for your lunch break. Not a bad gig. Not a bad gig. That was fun. I want to do that again. I really do. What a great bike. I do want to get another battery. Not that I want to carry it on my back or something, on my backpack, but it would be nice to have a second battery just if I really wanted to haul ass and go somewhere a little farther. I think that would be really fun. I have some credit over at the store, but they don't have it in stock. Okay, guys, that's it. That's it for today. A short little ride out to the surf spot overheads. Thanks for watching. Check out all my other videos. Subscribe if you like the video. Check out my other channels. I think they're cool. And my Patreon if you really want to be an awesome guy. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye.